Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video for the week of April the 28th to May the 3rd over at Walgreens. Lots of fantastic little dealios in this video. What is a curbside pickup for all the new shoppers out there? You're basically going in the Walgreens app, ordering this stuff, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. You can use coupon codes, and things are a little bit cheaper this way, so a lot of people prefer to shop curbside. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to register rewards, you want to be in store, you want to have that experience, hey, I get it. Sometimes you want to see what you're buying before you buy it. I made a video yesterday where I was bebopping through the store, and that video is linked at the very end if you want to watch it. Lots of great information and deals there, specifically with register rewards. Register rewards in store. Curbside, there are no register rewards. Now, also, if you're going to put in a monster order, there's extra savings using the code SPRING15 off of a $35 order to get 15% off. And then for an extra 20% off of a $50+ order, we can use the code SPRING20. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like this video. As predicted, Easter is 80% off as of this morning, which is April the 28th. So if you've seen something that you're like, hey, that's really cute, usually at this price point, things just start flying in the store. Yes, you can use Walgreens Cash. Yes, you can use Register Rewards. So go and make stuff happen at 80% off. I mean, that's just absolutely fantastic. Some stores you can do a curbside order. Some stores you actually have to go in the store. So just type in Easter into the browser and see what appears. And if you could possibly do an order, I would go to the store and see what they have and make it happen. Okay, let's hop right into the deals with deal number one. This first one, we are going to be grabbing some sun care items. This weird booster that we have of spend $20 to earn back $5 in Walgreens Cash, we're going to make sure that we have it loaded for some deals. And for this one, we are going to grab 2 of the L'Oreal. It's some sort of self-tanner, like some tinted self-tanner. With summer right around the corner, a lot of us use this product. Alternatively, there's also like a wipe that you can use. It's a little bit cheaper, $26.98, BOGO 50% off. And we have a 14 off of 2 that is, in fact, attaching. So how fantastic is that? I mean, it's just absolutely great. Specific car clip, if you click on it, it says $4.99, but it's actually on clearance for $1.99 online only. And we have, I think, like a $2.30 coupon that'll zero it out to free. So if you want to throw it into this order, fantastic, or any other order, you're just going to get it for free. Pardon me, it's a $2 off of 1. So that's why it's going to reduce down to $1.99 because there is no overage with digital coupons at Walgreens. Now, just to show you this, our FEBREZE coupon is coming off. Our L'Oreal Paris Sun Care one is coming off. And then I also typed in the code WAG10 at the very top for an extra $1.30 off. Looking at the overall total, it's $28.97, WAG10, free curbside pickup and tax, $15.99 in digital coupons coming off. So for this one, you have to pay with your debit card, as the promotion is to spend $20 to earn back $5 on sun care. So you're going to pay $13.34 and then get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. It shakes out those sunscreens to like, I think $3 and some change per. So it's not a bad little deal. Okay, deal number 2. For this one, we are going to be looking at the Batiste dry shampoo. So I'm just going to get a classic one for $13.49. Unfortunately, my store wouldn't allow me to put the $12.49 one in, but that would be a little bit cheaper if you can get the $12.49 and a $13.49. So just a classic. And then for the second one, I want to get one that says light. Light. So this one's called Light Dry Mellow Melon. A little bit of alliteration there. So at 50% off, this one is $6.74. And there is a method to why we're grabbing this one, and I'll explain it in a quick second. Buy 2, get $10 and get a $10 Walgreens Cash reward. but the word buy is there. So yes, you can use Walgreens Cash for this deal in case you were curious, because the word buy is there for Walgreens Cash. Now, just to show you, I used the code WAG10 for an additional $2.02 that's coming off, quite random there. Now, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there is a rebate on a Batiste Light dry shampoo that you can do up to one time, and it's $2.50 back, and Walgreens is the first store listed. When you go at the checkout for this, when you pick up your curbside, ask the cashier very nicely to process it through a register so you can actually get a physical receipt. The overall total is $20.23, WAG 10 taking $2.02 off, free curbside pickup tax, so $19.30. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens Cash, go for it and pay the $9.30, and you're getting back $10 in Walgreens Cash. Alternatively, just throw something else for $1 and use $20 in Walgreens Cash if you want to do that. And don't forget to get that receipt and send it off to IBOTTA so you can get your $2.50 back. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3, and for this one, we're going to throw in 2 of the L'Oreal lipsticks for $14.98. We have a 7 off 2 manufacturer, a 2 off 2 store coupon, and then there's some sort of a code like Spring 3 to get an additional $3 off, so very cheap lipstick. Unfortunately, guys, the digital coupons, I can't even show you because I cannot find them in my account, but they are there. Do love this one. $3.99 for a Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner, and we have $1 digital, so it makes it $2.99. They're practically giving this away, so I mean, this is just an absolutely fantastic one. Also in the clearance is the Finish Quantum tabs for $3.99. Unfortunately, we don't have a digital coupon, but this is a fantastic item to round the math to $10. So just to show you the store coupon, the manufacturer, which is a 7 off of 2, and then the Mr. Clean dollar coupon, and then using the code SPRING3, an additional $3 off the purchase of 2 L'Oreal cosmetics, and those lipsticks are part of it. So it basically makes the lipsticks, like, I think close to free, if not almost free. The overall total is $22.96. $5 in promotions melting off, $8 in manufacturers melting off. So the total here is $11.04. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens Cash, go for it and pay $1 for it and call this a very good deal. The final deal that we have is a little bit of food. We're going to grab 2 of these pizzas for $7.99. It's on this great promotion of buy one, get one free. So that's just making these pizzas, I think it's the cheaper than Walmart, $7.99 for 2. That's a very good deal. And then these 12 counts of the Pop-Tarts, $5.99 for the first. The second one is free. So, I mean, even if you just wanted to throw the pizzas in the freezer and throw these in a pantry, it's just a really great deal. And just to show you, you can actually use the code WAG10 for an additional $1.40 off. And looking at the total, it's $13.98, WAG 10 taking $1.40 off, free curbside pickup, no tax on food in the state of Michigan. So the total here is $12.58. If you might have $10 in Walgreens Cash, use it and pay $2.58 and call this a very smart deal. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and in case you missed yesterday's video, it's linked right here. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.